Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. Now we are discussing about differential equation. We are in that part. Let us have a discussion the questions. Hi dear students. We are in differential equations. Let us have a discussion. The question number 6. In the last video, 1 to 5 questions we discussed. In this, we are starting from question number 6. Show that the given differential equation is homogeneous and solve it. So we already done 5 questions proving the homogeneous. So now just we are entering into the directly solution of given differential equation. X into dy minus this minus y into dx, we are bringing this at y because dx term is there now. So y dx plus square root of x square plus y square into dx. So x into dy is equal to y plus root of x square plus y square into dx. So dx bring this side, x bring this side. So dy by dx is equal to y plus root of x square plus y square divided by x. I hope you understand, students. Dy by dx is equal to y by x plus this x also will bring inside the square root. It will becomes x square plus y square divided by x square. So still we need to simplify. Dy by dx equal to y by x plus root over x square by x square is 1. Y square by x square is, we can write it as y by x whole square. Okay, dear students. I think some of the students they are making comments. Yeah, Vigna Creations, thank you for joining, and Ashrita Akil also, thank you for joining. Yeah, Ashrita B channel top 2 fans, Ashrita Akil AVPG top 1 fan. Like it is showing that fans. To solve, this is homogeneous. This is homogeneous differential equation. Then to solve these type of problems, y equal to vx, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to v into x derivative is 1 plus x into dv derivative with respect to x, dv by dx. Okay. Now this given differential equation will becomes, wherever d by x is there, replace with v plus x dv by dx is equal to v plus root of 1 plus v square. So here we get cancelled. Later x into dv by dx is equal to root over 1 plus v square. Now separate the variables v and x. dv by root of 1 plus v square is equal to 1 by x into dx. Whenever we are separating the variables, you can taking integration on both sides. Integral 1 by root of 1 plus v square into dv is equal to integral 1 by x into dx. This is sine h inverse of v is equal to integral 1 by x is log mod x plus log c means constant I am taking as log c. Sine h inverse x definition log of v plus root of 1 plus v square. Why? Because sine h inverse x is equal to log of x plus root of 1 plus x square. So that is the reason we are taking this is exponential basic. So which is equal to log a plus log b is log ab, log xc. So wherever v is there, what we have to replace with? Y by x. So comparing both the log functions, v plus root of 1 plus v square is equal to xc, v is equal to y by x plus root of 1 plus y square by x square is equal to xc, y plus root of x square plus y square by x is equal to xc. X square will take out from the root. So x bring the sign. Y plus root of x square plus y square is equal to x square c, which is the required solution to the given differential equation. I hope you understand, students. We'll move on to another set of questions. Yeah, Satakil, thank you for joining. Good evening. Okay, dear students, we'll move to another question. Another question is very lengthy one, but not lengthy. By seeing it is a difficult question, but it is easy question. X cos of y by x plus y sin of y by x into y dx is equal to y into sin of y by x plus x into, minus here, minus x into sin of y by x into x dy. This is the question. We are going to solve this. So first what we have to do, you have to bring into the form of dy by dx. So dx bring the side, and so even y also bring here. So xy into cos of y by x plus y square sin of y by x divided by, even this also multiply and bring this side, xy into sin of y by x minus x squared sine of y by x is equal to dy by dx. Okay, dear students. Here, clearly it is homogeneous. It is a homogeneous differential equation. Then the proper substitution. Then put y is equal to vx. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So wherever dy by dx is there, replace with this one. And wherever y is there, replace with vx. So it will becomes y is equal to vx, no? So x into vx means x square will come. And y square means v square x square. So x square I am taking common directly. So what happens here? If we take common means v into cos v plus v square into sin v divided by, even here also x square take common, v sin v minus sin v is equal to v plus x dv by dx. I hope you understand it, students, clearly. Wherever y is there, replace with vx. Next, in numerator and denominator, I have taken common x square. In the next step, this v also bringing this side and take the LCM. So v cos v plus v square sin v divided by v sin v minus sin v minus v by 1 equal to x into dv by dx. Next, take LCM. So here LCM is v sin v minus sin v. Okay. Next, v cos v plus v square sin v minus v into v. So minus v square sin v minus into minus is plus v sin v. Okay, dear students, is equal to x into dv by dx. See here, plus v square sin v minus v square sin v get cancelled. Then the remaining v square x square. So here v square x square have taken. I think here both sine or both one of them is cos. Just I need to verify. Sine and cos, this side is cos. That's what I am observing. Here it is a cos. The same thing it changes here. It is a cos. It will be cos. Even here also it will be cos. Here plus v cos. Okay, students. See how it will change. It comes as usual like this. After cancellation these terms, v cos v plus v cos v. 2v cos v divided by v sin v minus sin v. Here also some are sin v, not is cos v. After taking LCM, till there only I wrote now. Is equal to x into dv by dx. Now what I am doing is 2 I am keeping here only, x bring this side and dx bring this side. So it will be 2 times of 1 by x into dx is equal to v sin v minus cos v divided by v cos v into dv. Now variables were separated. Whenever variables were separated, taking integration on both sides. Even 2 also constant bring outside, integral 1 by x dx is equal to integral v sin v minus cos v divided by v cos v into dv. Here, one important result is there. Minus, if we take common, what happens is minus v sin v plus cos v. Am I right? I'm taking common minus. Why you are doing like this, sir? Here only important step. It will be in the form of integral f dash of v by f of v into dv is equal to log mod f of v. I hope you understand. V cos v derivative is, we keep it here only, cos v derivative is minus sin v plus cos v, keep it here only, v derivative is 1. So f dash of x by f of x. But in terms of v is there, integral f dash of v by f of v dv is equal to log mod f of v plus c. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. So which is equal to minus, here 2 also constant, integral 1 by x is log mod x minus log mod v cos v plus log c. Okay. So log x square plus log v into cos v is equal to log c, log a plus log b, log ab. So log x square into v cos v is equal to log c. Wherever v is there, what you have to replace? Y by x. So comparing the log functions, x square into y by x into cos of y by x is equal to c. Here one of the x cancel. xy into cos of y by x is equal to c. This is the final answer, dear students. I hope everyone understand. We'll move to another question. Before that, just I want to see that how many are watching. Just 5 are watching. In the top fans, Astrithakil AVPC and Astrithapi channel. Okay, thank you for joining these people. I hope everyone completed. We'll move to another question. Question number 8. The next question number 8. X into dy by dx minus y plus x into sine of y by x is equal to 0. This is the next question what we have. To solve this problem, we want to divide by dx. No? So here, x into dy by dx is equal to y minus x into sine of y by x. Dividing by x on both sides, dy by dx equal to y by x minus sine of y by x. Why? Because here x get cancelled. It is homogeneous differential equation. It is a homogeneous differential equation. Put y is equal to vx or y by x is equal to v. Both are same. So differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So wherever dy by dx is there, v plus x dv by dx. V plus x dv by dx is equal to v minus sine v. Both sides vv get cancelled and take all v terms one side. Dv by sine v is equal to minus 1 by x into dx. Integral 1 by sine v is what? Cosecant v into dv is equal to minus 1 by x into dx. After separating the variables, taking integration on both sides, integral cosecant v dv is equal to minus integral 1 by x dx. Integral cosecant x, log mod cosecant x minus cot x. So, log mod cosecant v minus cot v is equal to minus log mod x plus log c. Now, log mod, wherever v is there, replace with the cosecant of y by x minus cot of y by x is equal to log a minus log b, log a by b, log c by x. Comparing both the log functions, cosecant of y by x minus cot of y by x is equal to c by x. X bring the sign, x into cosecant of y by x minus cot of y by x is equal to c. This is the required final answer for the given differential equations. Okay, dear students, we'll move to another question now. Question number 9. Y dx plus x into log of y by x into dy So here also I want to bring the dy by dx from one side. From these two dy by dx is there, no? So y dx is equal to, this value bring this side, 2x minus x into log of y by x into dy. In the next step, x we are taking common and dx bring this side. So y equal to x into 2 minus log of y by x into dy by dx. Here dx will brought the same. Even x also bring the side. So y by x equal to 2 minus log of y by x into dy by dx. So this value completely bring the side. So y by x into 1 by 2 minus log y by x is equal to dy by dx. It is homogeneous. Put y by x is equal to v. That implies y is equal to vx. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. So wherever dy by dx is there, replace with this value. So v plus x dv by dx is equal to y by x is there, v into 1 by 2 minus log v. Okay, dear students, we bring this side. X into dv by dx is equal to v by 2 minus log v minus v by 1. Take out LCM and simplify. X into dv by dx is equal to 2 minus log v. So v minus 2v minus v log v. X into dv by dx is equal to minus v log v divided by 2 minus log v. We take common and write it. X dv by dx equal to minus v take common 1 plus log v divided by 2 minus log v. Now separate the variables v and x. 2 minus log v divided by v into 1 plus log v into dv is equal to minus 1 by x into dx. Taking integration on both sides, integral 2 minus log v by v into 1 plus log v into dv equal to minus integral 1 by x dx. For this, put log v is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x, 1 by v into dv is equal to dt. So this will becomes integral 1 by v into dv is dt. So 2 minus t divided by 1 plus t into dt equal to minus integral 1 by x into dx. Numerator in terms of denominator we have to write it. So observe carefully, dear students. 1 we have to write as a t, so 2 minus, here 2 I want now. 2 minus t in terms of numerator here 2 minus t by 1 plus t into dt. Numerator value 2 minus t I want. So 1 by 1 plus t, 1 minus t by, in terms of t I want, no. So I want to write in terms of 2 minus t. Two minus t is equal to, in terms of 1 plus t I wanted. So 1 plus t is, it is there already. So just I want to get it as 1 plus t term now. So we are adding plus 1 and subtracting minus 1. Where is the difference? Plus 1 minus 1. But here I want to have to get it as 2 minus 1 minus t. If you do that, it comes. But denominator is 1 plus t only, no? Like this only write it better. So 2 minus t can be written as, here we are adding and subtracting. That only we wrote that. In terms of numerator, no, I want to write it as, now it is correct. 2 minus t, 2 minus t. So we can write a 1 plus t. 2 minus t in terms of denominator, we are writing. This is only a little confusion. Two minus 2 minus t is there now, so this is. So here we are adding and subtracting plus 1 and minus 1. Here 2 is there already. 2 minus 2. Just what we are doing is, we are adding and subtracting plus t minus t. So 2 minus 2t plus t. So from these two, 2 take common, 1 minus t, but plus t I want no? Plus t I want. So it is does not work out. But here minus is there, no? That minus we can change it. Then it will be easy. Here minus is there, no? So we can write it like this: t minus 2 by 1 plus t into dt. Minus we have taken 1 plus 2 minus e by, correct, 1 plus b, that minus here, integral 1 by x into dx. Now t minus 2 can be written as in terms of 1 plus 2, we can write it. So t minus 1 minus 1, this is t minus 1. In terms of I want the 1 plus t, no? So adding plus 1, subtracting minus 1, 1 plus t I want. So minus 2 t plus 1 minus 3. So like this we can take it. So integral t minus 2 can be written as t plus 1 minus 3 divided by 1 plus t into dt equal to integral 1 by x into dx. This is the way we can do it. After that we can split into terms integral t plus 1 by t plus 1 into dt minus 3 into integral 1 by t plus 1 into dt integral 1 by x into dx. So these two will be cancelled. Integral dt is t minus 3 into log mod t plus 1 log mod x plus log c. Okay, dear students. So wherever t is there, what you have to replace again? Log v. So log v minus 3 times of log v plus 1 is equal to log xc. This log xc bring this side, log v plus minus log xc is equal to 3 times of log v plus 1. So log a minus log b, log a by b, log v by xc is equal to log v plus 1 whole power 3. So v means what? Y by x by xc is equal to log v plus 1 whole power 3. So y by x square c equal to log of y by x plus 1 whole power 3. So y equal to c will bring side. 1 by c we can write it as x square only will bring this side. Y into capital C equal to x square times of log y by x plus 1 whole power 3. Since 1 by c we are taking as capital C. Here only little time taking the students. Taking log c or minus c, that is your wish. You can take according to your convenience, dear students. Yeah, one more information is also here, dear students. Here minus into minus it will become plus now here, and that will be very important step. We forgot. Here it is plus v. So if you take common from these two, we only take common. What comes here? 1 plus log v only, no? V minus 2 is minus v plus log v, v log v. So 2 minus log v by v plus 2 minus log v divided by denominator here minus v only take common means minus 1 plus log c will come. So minus 1 plus log c means log v minus 1 in this denominator. From here again we need to rub this, dear students. Why? Because here minus 1. Based on this, this will change. That's why here whenever we are feeling difficult in this step, then only minus or plus will be differ. So integral 2 minus t by this is t minus 1 into dt is equal to minus integral 1 by x into dx. I hope you understand the students. This is the way we can. So here nowhere we are getting as negative here. Yes. Integral in terms of denominator we can write it as 2 minus of 1. T minus 1, minus into minus plus only, no? Now it will be correct. We can split into terms 1 by t minus 1 into dt minus integral t minus 1 by t minus 1 into dt. Integral 1 by x dx. See 1 minus this total answer. Here only this is important step. Here only we forgot. In place of plus minus I wrote. That is the reason we are getting difficulty. Integral 1 by t minus 1 is log mod t minus 1. Minus, these two will be cancelled, integral t will come. Integral dt is equal to integral 1 by x dx. So log mod t minus 1 minus integral dt is t equal to log x plus c. So minus t bring this side, log x bring this side. Log t means what? Log v we have taken now. Minus 1 equal to c minus log x is equal to t plus c. So log v minus 1 by x is equal to t means what again? Log v. C also we can take as log c, that is better. Log c. So log v minus 1 by x is equal to log vc. Comparing the log functions, log v minus 1 by x is equal to vc. Wherever v is there, we place with y by x. So log y by x minus 1 equal to x into v means again y by x. X get cancelled. So log y by x minus 1 is equal to yc. Previously we got whole power 3 and so on. But this is the right answer, dear students. Why? Because here we did mistake in this. Instead of minus, instead of plus, we kept minus. This is the final answer. We'll move on to question number 10 in this session. This is the last question in this session. move to question number 10 and last question in this session. It is a little lengthy and extra 5 minutes we have taken. Why? Because we did a little mistake in that. Plus minus will change your total answer, students. Keep in mind and practice and do it. One plus e power x by y into dx plus 1 minus x by y into e power x by y into dy equal to 0. See, this is the only different question which we have dx by dy case. See how we are going to turn this question. 1 plus e power x by y. In all the questions previously we observed that y by x terms are there, but in this x by y terms are there. Dx is equal to this value, bring this side means these two also will be interchangeable. X by y minus 1 into e power x by y into dy. So dy bring this side. Dx by dy is equal to x by y minus 1 into e power x by y whole divided by 1 plus e power x by y. I hope everyone understand till this step. Now it is a homogeneous differential equation. Put what is the term is common in this? X by y is equal to v. That implies that x is equal to vy. Differentiate with respect to y. So that implies that dx by dy is equal to v into y derivative is 1 plus y into dv by dy. So therefore, the given differential equation dx by dy replaced with this v plus y into dv by dy is equal to v minus 1 divided by 1 plus e power v into e power v. Okay, dear students, we'll move to v value, bring this side. Y into dv by dy is equal to v e power v minus e power v divided by 1 plus e power v minus v by 1. Take out LCM and simplify. Y into dv by dy is equal to 1 plus e power v is the LCM. So v e power v minus e power v minus v e power v plus v e power v minus e power v get cancelled. Now we are separating the variables v and y. So y into dv by dy is equal to minus, I am taking common, v plus e power v whole divided by 1 plus e power v. Now we are separating the variables v and y. So 1 plus e power v divided by v plus e power v into dv is equal to minus 1 by y into dy. Whenever variables were separated, taking integration on both sides. So integral 1 plus e power v divided by v plus e power v into dv is equal to minus integral 1 by y into dy. You have to understand the first integration, this value. What we are giving the arrow mark. F dash of v divided by f of v into dv. It is in this form. So log mod f of v. That means numerator value v derivative is 1, e power v derivative is e power v. F dash of v by f of v is log mod f of v. So it will becomes log mod v plus e power v is equal to minus log mod y plus log c. So log mod, what is v value? We assume that x by y plus e power x by y is equal to log c by y. Comparing the log functions, x by y plus e power x by y is equal to c by y. Take LCM and simplify. X plus y into e power x by y equal to c. Both sides we cancel the term y. This is the final answer, dear students. I hope everyone understand. The rest of the questions, exactly 5 to 6 questions in one session we will discuss with clear information. Slowly we will discuss. You also may be observed in these videos. Most of the videos we are going very slow for understanding purpose of the students. So please share and like to our videos. Those who are watching first time, please like and share and subscribe to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Home. Thank you all. Jai Hind. Again, tomorrow also we may chance to get means by 9 o'clock or before only. But evening, anytime, based on the time situation, I will come to the live session, dear students. Thank you for watching.